GPS function introduction. This is the original GPS module. First, connect the Bluetooth signal of the electric scooter and bind it to your account. Then switch to 4G GPS signal connection. Click the targeting button. GPS will automatically locate the current location of the scooter. Click the track button and you will be able to find cycling tracks of various recent time periods based on your selection. Ranging mode, measure the straight line distance between you and a scooter with one click. In scooter seeking mode, click to automatically jump to the mobile phone's navigation software to navigate to the vehicle positioning point. Share mode, you can share the screenshot content with your friends or upload it to social media platforms with one click. Scooters with GPS modules can receive the latest updates from the official background for automatic updates without connecting to Bluetooth. When there is an abnormality in the battery or charging failure, the app will push notifications through GPS signals to remind users to confirm the status of the scooter in a timely manner to ensure safe use.